Hi.
Say hi, Neo. Okay. Pwede na yan. Okay. Hi there, tin mates and tin talkers, and welcome to my channel, Christine Babao's channel. Opo, pinalitan ko na po from Christine Babao's Chronicles to Christine Babao's channel kasi po yung iba nahihirapan na ma-remember yung Chronicles. So sabi ko, sige, padaliin ko na nga Christine Babao's channel. Pero pwede pa rin naman yung Chronicles. Anyway, highway. Welcome to part 3 of my Baking 101, a series of baking vlogs. Kasi po yung dalawang anak ko, sina Anya and Neo, took Baking 101 classes sa Center for Culinary Arts or CCA. Kaya naman, as a prize and or gift for all of you subscribers, you can get the chance to win gift checks from Cravings Restaurant, which is part of the CCA group. Yes! Ay nako, favorite ko dyan yung kanilang unlimited salad and soup buffet. Whenever you order a main dish, only na po ang soup and salad. Mag-i-enjoy kayo dito kapag kayo ang nanalo.
The hot chocolate
is good also.
Yeah.
Yes. So, all you have to do is follow these instructions. So, like I've said, tatlo na po ang na-post natin. Pangatlo na po itong chocolate cake with ganache. So, ang gagawin niyo lamang po, in the comment section of this vlog, you will simply answer 3 questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. Ano yung unang-unang recipe na natutunang i-bake ni na Anya and Neo? O nasa vlog number 1 yan ha. Check out the playlist. Baking 101 at CCA, you will see 3 videos. Watch the first video and you will know the answer. Question number 2. Sino ang crush ni Anya Babao at kanino niya dinedicate yung pagbe-bake niya ng scones sa naturang vlog number 2? Ang dali lang, diba? Question number 3. Dito sa vlog na ito mismo, ano ang melted chocolate with cream? Anong tawag sa chocolate na yun pag minilk mo na? Yung very velvety smooth at napakasarap talaga. All you have to do is, down the comments below, i-copy nyo po, copy-paste yung link kung saan nyo shinare na social media ninyo yung ating Baking 101 at CCA na playlist, which contains 3 videos of Baking 101 sessions or vlogs ng aking mga anak. Yun, ganun kasimple. So again, good luck guys. All you have to do is watch the 3 videos under the playlist, Baking 101 at CCA, copy the link, share it in your social media so that others can also get the chance to watch, answer my 3 easy questions, and here goes. All those with the correct answers will be drawn electronically through our randompicker.com, and I will announce the 2 lucky winners of Cravings Restaurant gift checks. Dito rin mismo sa vlog na ito, I will pin my message so that you will see the names of the 2 lucky winners. Kailan ang deadline? Tomorrow. So make sure you get to watch and binge on the 3 vlogs doon sa ating playlist na Baking 101 at CCA. So, that's it.
Hello!
Hi! We are joined by Mr. Babao. Have you
for you.
followed him? Thank you, babe. Have you followed him sa kanyang YouTube channel na Julie's Babao Unplugged? Please follow Julie's also. Thank you! Wow, kape.
Thank you.
Alam mo, masarap sana itong kape no, kung merong itutulak. Alam mo na, oh, thank you.
Wow!
Meron to, di ba? Oh!
Oy!
Ayan na, si
Ito
Chocolate
na, Chocolate
Boy.
ito na.
Our little baker. Come here, Neo. Ito na nga, guys. You know, I was thinking, paano nga ba binibake yung mga moist chocolate cake sa mga restaurant? So I always thought na mahirap siyang gawin. Talagang it involves skill. Pero you know, after attending sa Baking 101, at alam na namin ni Neo yung secret how to make chocolate ganache. Ang dali lang pala, babe.
Oo.
And promise, super sarap talaga.
Tikman na natin.
Try mo. So, ayan, Jules.
Tikman na
Better na ikaw na
natin.
mismo mag-taste after i-slice ni Neo.
Ano tawag dito sa cake na to?
Super sarap.
Double chocolate cake.
Double chocolate cake with ganache.
Sarap! Parang binili sa ano.
Diba?
Cake shop.
Parang sa hotel. Oh, you see?
Galing mo naman. Congratulations.
Yeah, little chef natin yan eh.
Congratulations.
So, if you wanna bake this kind of really moist chocolate cake with ganache, just watch this vlog and you'll find out how you baked it. Kaya-kaya nyo, kaya-kaya ng mga kids nyo.
The
Tikman nyo.
ingredients in this cake are delicious.
It's really good.
Well-
Promise, I won't say it just because you're my son, but it's really good. Try it. You'll like it. So again, watch this vlog and get the chance to win these gift certificates from Cravings Restaurant.
Wow,
Good luck,
sali na.
guys.
500 na yan. Per person ba yan?
1,000 per person.
1,000.
Pwede rin sila mag-date.
Wow.
So, 2 winners
Advance
to.
naman ang Valentine natin.
Oh, di ba? Advance. Pwede rin pang Father's Day.
You know what I have to say to that?
Share this vlog.
You know what I have to say to that?
Yeah.
Mamalikan mo yan, no? Slow mo.
Ay, teka, slow mo na. Hindi ko naman alam din gagawin. Guys, I'm so excited for Neo because this is his first time to make. What are you making?
Ganache.
Flour, chocolate powder, baking soda, baking powder. We have salt here, salt, and then we add
need salt for
baking cakes here also. And then we add some 3 eggs, of course, and that will be added to our butter and sugar again. We'll have to cream it. Okay. We have to cream the butter later. Okay. Butter, sugar, and then we add the eggs one at a time. We incorporate all the ingredients evenly. 1 egg at a time. So we can evenly distribute the ingredients. Do you want to pour the other egg? Ano ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Napapak mo yung sugar. Now, to make the ganache, you will need the following. Chocolate chips, can be sweet or semi-sweet. Heavy cream. Culinary cream, any brand. Ganache is heavy cream and culinary cream. What?
culinary cream.
Simmering.
No, are we good?
Yes, I want you to experience it. I want you to
I actually did it.
low fire only, too high.
I used to make my mom's breakfast.
Scouting meaning
But I ran out of tomato juice. The Del Monte one.
just before simmering.
Ayan,
If you see some small bubbles, we stop, we go back to our station, and then we pour the chocolates.
With a cover.
So this is what you call, yeah, we temper the chocolate with the cream. So this will be our ganache. Kaya mo gawin? Kaya?
Yes.
Go fight twins. Gawin mo ito mamaya ah.
Easy?
Yung isa ah.
Very easy, right?
Someone's snacking. Someone's eating the ingredients. Okay, Mia's gonna make the ganache. Measuring the heavy cream first. Okay.
In the milk. So if you see small bubbles, we'll stop the fire, remove it, and then we temper the chocolates. The chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, what did Chef just say? If you what?
See small bubbles, turn off the heat.
Okay.
Okay, out of the fire, then you put or pour your chocolate in. Don't touch the pot, it's very hot. Don't touch the pot, it's very hot.
Uy, Tom, yan. What are you making?
Ganache.
Ganache. How do you make it?
Culinary cream, whipping cream, baking, and chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. So, ang bilis lang pala.
Feel free to eat it like I do.
Yeah. So, mapabilis lang pala niya, no? You just have to scald the milk. When it bubbles, you take it out of the fire, and then you add the chips. And ayan, melted na agad yung chocolate, oh. Hindi katulad ng ginawa natin the other time. 40 minutes na, hindi pa nagme-melt yung chocolate. Cool. Excited for you, Neil.
Later. Sip. Everything first. Sip. Everything first.
Huh?
Crack 3 eggs. Put the shell.
You mean chocolate eggs?
Nice spoon.
Chocolate eggs.
Creaming the butter.
Cream the butter. Number 1 only.
And then slowly, number 2. Yes, Neil?
I think I just taken.
Wow, yan na yung ganache. Oh, ang shiny ng chocolate, ah. Nice, Neil. Wow. Looks good.
Look at the oldest one.
Yan, may texture yan. Oh. Mas stick na siya kasi nagkukul. So,
Then, hold another one.
origami.
Next, gonna make this up. So this side, this side. Look at me. This side over here. Then another one. It's like an airplane.
Yeah, like an airplane, Neil.
Again?
Yes. Neo, look. And here. And then one more.
One more, Neil. There.
Not yet. Wait, you have to measure. Wait. Look at first. Look at this one first. Then we measure it. Put this one in the middle, and then you make a mark Neo, make a mark here. Cut it. For your batter.
Uy, pouring the batter na. I can smell the chocolate cake. Wow! Oh my gosh! Niyo, naglalaro.
Okay, I'll hold it for you. Scrape it. Scrape it.
Ayan na si Neo, pinupour na sa pan ang kanyang chocolate cake batter mixture. Neo, congratulations! Masarap kaya?
Thank you. Tomorrow? Bye-bye. Not too much, not too much. Leave some of the banana sauce.
Si Neo, pinapakita na kay Daddy ang kanyang dinate today. Siyempre,